For decades, the elongated skulls found on the Paracas Peninsula in Peru have sparked debates in archaeology. These skulls have been the subject of attention both in academia and sensationalism. Recently, a genetic analysis has rekindled interest in revealing that certain fragments of DNA do not coincide with any known human lineage. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and give like. Your support is fundamental to continue exploring intriguing topics like this. Today, we will analyze the most recent findings about Paracas skulls and what they could mean for our understanding of human history. The researcher Brian Forrester has claimed that a particular skull, marked as 3A, presents mitochondrial DNA with unknown mutations. This suggests the existence of a new human-type creature, distant from Homo sapiens and other hominids. These statements have generated both interest and skepticism in the scientific community. Forrester conducted an interview with Ancient Origins, a medium specialized in alternative archaeology. It is important to note that this analysis was carried out by an American geneticist, although his identity and affiliation have not been revealed. The lack of transparency has raised criticism about the methodology of the study. Between 5 and 10% of Paracas skulls do not present the typical characteristics of intentional deformation. Some have a natural morphology with higher cranial volume. This anomaly has led to questioning traditional cultural explanations about cranial deformation in different cultures. The preliminary genetic analysis has revealed segments that do not coincide with any sequence recorded in GenBank. However, the fact that they do not match does not imply that they are not human. Fragmentation of ancient DNA and the possibility of contamination may influence the results. Forrester mentions that these findings are only a first phase and that more research is needed to determine whether this is an isolated anomaly. The existence of numerous Paracas skulls allows the replication of the study and could provide clearer answers in the future. The historical context of Paracas culture, which flourished more than 2,000 years ago, adds a level of complexity to the discussion. The abrupt disappearance of this culture and the unusual physical features of some of its remains have fed theories about possible migrations from other regions of the world. The possibility that these skulls are related to ancient migratory events has been discussed, although Forrester is cautious. He speaks of population mixtures and leaves the door open to more extreme scenarios, without categorically asserting any theory. The results also indicate that the blood type of Paracas skulls does not coincide with the common in South America. This difference has led to further questioning of the relationship of these individuals with other populations in the region. In conclusion, the study of the skulls of Paracas is still ongoing and raises more questions than answers. The lack of a complete and published genetic analysis keeps the mystery about their origin. What secret still holds the history of Paracas?